Casting integers to enums is common when we receive numeric data, such as from a database or external source, and need to convert it to a meaningful name in our code. Let's look at how to do this correctly and safely in C#. Here we have a simple enum called order status, with values such as pending, processing, shipped, delivered, and cancelled. Each of these statuses has a numeric value behind it. If we have an integer representing an order status, let's say 3, we can't assign it directly to an enum variable. We have to cast explicitly. When we do this cast, C# converts the integer to the corresponding enum value. In this example, number 3 becomes shipped. However, what happens if the integer does not match a valid enum member? Let's try 7. Notice here, our code doesn't generate any compile time errors, but the result is clearly invalid and not what we expected. It just outputs the numeric value, which might lead to confusion or errors down the road. To avoid such issues, we should always validate integers before converting them to enums. C# provides a simple method called Enum.IsDefined that checks if an integer corresponds to a defined enum member. If the number doesn't match, we can handle it gracefully, perhaps by displaying an error message or choosing a default enum value. This approach improves reliability, prevents errors, and keeps our code robust and readable.